Section 1, Foundations of Education. 1. What does education primarily aim to develop? Education is derived from the Latin word educare, meaning to bring up or to draw out. It emphasizes developing innate potential. The correct option is B. Personality. 2. Which branch of philosophy deals with values in education? Philosophy of education guides the teacher about what, why, and how to teach. The correct option is B. Axiology. 3. In education, epistemology answers which question? Epistemology refers to the study of knowledge and learning. The correct option is C. What is knowledge? 4. John Dewey emphasized learning through experience, called learning by doing. Dewey's philosophy is known as. The correct option is A. Pragmatism. 5. Idealism focuses on the development of mind and spirit rather than matter. According to idealists, the ultimate reality lies in A. Mind, B. Matter, C. Senses, D. Experience. The correct option is A. Mind. 6. Realism emphasizes the study of the external world through observation and science. Who is regarded as the founder of realism in education? A. Aristotle, B. Socrates, C. Plato, D. Kant. The correct option is A. Aristotle. 7. Naturalism supports learning through nature and direct experience. Which educator was a strong advocate of naturalism? A. Rousseau, B. Dewey, C. Froebel, D. Kant. The correct option is A. Rousseau. 8. Existentialism believes in personal freedom and choice in education. According to existentialists, the aim of education is A. Social adjustment, B. Knowledge transmission, C. Self-realization, D. Character building. The correct option is C. Self-realization. 9. Socratic method is based on questioning and dialogue. Its main purpose is to A. Train memory, B. Impose authority, C. Stimulate thinking, D. Promote obedience. The correct option is C. Stimulate thinking. 10. Humanism focuses on individual growth, creativity, and emotional well-being. The central idea of humanism is A. Obedience, B. Competition, C. Personal development, D. Discipline. The correct option is C. Personal development. 11. Curriculum in the foundation sense means the total planned learning experiences. Which of the following best defines curriculum? The correct option is C. All learning experiences. 12. Formal education takes place in organized institutions with fixed curricula. Which of the following is an example of formal education? A. Home learning, B. Watching TV, C. School learning, D. Daily discussion. The correct option is C. School learning. 13. Informal education occurs naturally through experiences. Which of the following represents informal learning? The correct option is B. Newspaper reading. 14. Non-formal education targets out-of-school youth and adults. Which one is an example of non-formal education? The correct option is A. Adult literacy program. 15. Teacher-centered education emphasizes the role of the teacher as the main source of knowledge. Which method belongs to teacher-centered approach? A. Discussion, B. Lecture, C. Project, D. Activity. The correct option is B. Lecture. 16. Learner-centered education gives priority to students' interests and participation. Which of these promotes learner-centered learning? A. Dictation, B. Rote learning, C. Inquiry-based learning, D. Memorization. Correct, C. Inquiry-based learning. 17. Education as a social process means it prepares individuals for society. Which philosopher viewed education as a social necessity? A. Dewey, B. Rousseau, C. Socrates, D. Kant. The correct option is A. Dewey. 18. Universalization of education ensures that every child has access to schooling. Which level does it primarily concern? A. Secondary, B. Primary, C. Tertiary, D. Vocational. The correct option is B. Primary. 19. Democracy in education promotes equality, participation, and freedom of expression. Which principle reflects democratic education? A. Uniformity. B. Authority. C. Cooperation. D. Competition. The correct option is C. Cooperation. 20. Lifelong learning means education continues throughout life. Which statement reflects the idea of lifelong learning? The correct option is C. Learning is a continuous process. 21. Which branch of philosophy examines the nature and aims of education? Philosophy of education deals with the principles and values guiding the educational process. A. Epistemology. B. Axiology. C. Philosophy of education. D. Ontology. The correct option is C. Philosophy of education. 22. The ultimate aim of education according to idealism is. Aims of education are the goals toward which all educational efforts are directed. The correct option is B. Spiritual development. 23. Which educational philosophy advocates learning by doing? Naturalism emphasizes learning through direct experience and observation. A. Idealism. B. Pragmatism. C. Realism. D. Existentialism. The correct option is B. Pragmatism. 4. Explanation. Curriculum represents the total learning experiences planned and directed by the school. Question. A child-centered curriculum is based on. The correct option is B. Students' needs and abilities. 25. Who is known as the father of modern education? John Dewey emphasized democratic education and problem-solving. A. Rousseau. B. Plato. C. John Dewey. D. Pestalozzi. The correct option C. John Dewey. 26. Which philosophy believes that education should prepare the learner for real-life situations? Realism stresses the study of external reality and the natural world. A. Pragmatism. B. Realism. C. Idealism. D. Naturalism. The correct option is B. Realism. 27. Discipline in education ensures a positive and orderly environment for learning. The main objective of discipline is A. Fear. B. Punishment. C. Self-control. D. Suppression. The correct option is C. Self-control. 28. Education and society are interdependent, each shapes the other. Which statement best reflects the relationship between education and society? The correct option is B. Education transforms society. 29. Rousseau believed in natural education free from social corruption. Education according to nature was the main idea of A. Aristotle. B. Rousseau. C. Dewey. D. Skinner. The correct option is B. Rousseau. 30. Axiology deals with values, moral, aesthetic, and ethical aspects of education. Axiology in education focuses on A. Knowledge. B. Reality. C. Values. D. Method. The correct option is C. Values. 11. Epistemology studies the nature and sources of knowledge. Which branch of philosophy answers the question, what is knowledge? A. Epistemology. B. Ontology. C. Axiology. D. Psychology. The correct option is A. Epistemology. 32. Formal education takes place in schools with a structured system. Which of the following is an example of formal education? The correct option is C. Classroom teaching. 33. Non-formal education occurs outside the traditional school system. Adult literacy programs are examples of A. Formal education. B. Non-formal education. C. Informal education. D. Special education. The correct option is B. Non-formal education. 34. Informal education is acquired through daily experiences. Which type of education occurs naturally without any set curriculum? A. Formal. B. Informal. C. Non-formal. D. Professional. The correct option is B. Informal. 35. Education as a lifelong process means learning continues throughout life. The statement education begins at birth and ends at death reflects A. Idealism. B. Continuous learning. C. Formal education. D. Adult education. The correct option is B. Continuous learning. 36. Teacher as a guide helps learners construct their own knowledge. In modern education, the teacher's role is mainly A. Lecturer. B. Controller. C. Facilitator. D. Supervisor. The correct option is C. Facilitator. 37. Education and culture are interconnected. Education transmits cultural values. Education is considered a powerful instrument for A. Cultural transmission. B. Economic inflation. C. Industrialization. D. Political revolution. The correct option is A. Cultural transmission. 38. Moral education aims at the development of good character and values. Moral education primarily develops A. Physical strength. B. Intellectual ability. C. Ethical values. D. Artistic taste. The correct option is C. Ethical values. 39. Education for democracy promotes freedom, equality, and participation. Democratic education encourages A. Competition. B. Participation. C. Isolation. D. Authoritarianism. The correct option is B. Participation. 40. Philosophy of education acts as a foundation for all educational practices. Philosophy provides A. Techniques of teaching. B. Basis of curriculum. C. School management rules. D. Psychological tests. The correct option is B. Basis of curriculum.